So I hope this is the final day on the driveway from hell. I got 4 more loads sitting here now, and that should be plenty to fill in the low spots and fix it back, crown it, and finish it out right here, and then start up the hill over here, and then do the house pad. I'm gonna do it while I'm here, and may break even on this job, I don't know. And then the neighbor wants me to do a little bit for him, spread out 2 loads he's having brought in. So man, I'm ready to get this done. It was a day yesterday, Saturday. Yesterday we had dump trucks get stuck, and just seemed like nothing went right, but we managed to get a lot done. So let me get these spread out and fixed up, and fix the road. I'm gonna start on the house pad. That's probably gonna take a minute, but here we go. Okay, the driveway is pretty much ready for rock, or for them to bring the trailer in here. So I'm gonna do is a pretty good hill right here. Of course you can't tell on camera, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna notch out the backside and around, and that way it's got to fall to the other side, catch any water coming off that backside, and give it a crest. But I'm gonna blade all this off, blade the whole top of the hillside off, make sure there's nothing left in the ground, and take that pile of stuff right there and transfer it over here to this pile so they can burn it later. calling it a day. I'm tired. Ah, you can't see, but I got it cut out on the backside and it's sloped basically all the way around, but I'm gonna let it kind of dry out overnight, and tomorrow then I'll come back sometime tomorrow and just kind of finishing it out and then packing it on down. But it's just pretty much solid clay. I'm just basically sculpting dirt. You can tell the difference in the stuff. It's got more sand in it than the clay up here. But so my camera died. Like I said, it's going to be harder to rock once I get it in here and pack it down and it dries up. I had a couple soft spots I had to dig out, but there's no big roots left. Well, there's a couple, but anyway. So I think the driveway from hell is finished on my part. I'm going to smooth up the edges on my way out and then fix those big dirt piles over there. But other than that, it's a wrap.